You have not received any discovery.
Am I free to speak?
Well, we're trying to clarify this issue because if you have not been provided full discovery, so I'm just looking at your request for discovery. I do see that you requested dash cam footage from any patrol vehicle, and you're saying you have not received any dash cam footage.
No.
Okay, and you have not received any body cam footage?
No.
Mr. Sturgeon, press *6 to unmute. All right, looks like you got it. Can you speak to the court? So good morning. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I've received, it looks like your motions, we had a few. So there was a motion to compel discovery, renewed motion for in-person hearing that was previously denied, motion for recusal, disqualification of a judicial officer, and then there's a notice of intent to pursue legal remedies of due process. So there's a few motions that you have, and then requests for written rulings, docket entries, etc. So I did notice that you had the proof of service that was filed because one of the issues when you asked for discovery the last time was that you had not served it on the prosecutor's office. So it looks like we did have proof of service, but it says to the prosecuting attorneys who is in charge of this infraction. So I just want to make sure you served it on the right prosecutor.
Yes, it was served to the prosecuting attorney.
Was that with the same building as the Hall of Justice?
Yeah, so the lower level.
Okay, I just wanted to double check because it wasn't quite clear. So you did file the request for discovery. Did you receive anything from their office?
No.
So as of today's date, so July 14th, 2026, you have not received any discovery?
I went in yesterday and I received what I received in the mail, which was a ticket. So it was an incomplete discovery, and they said that is all that they have.
Okay,
and,
so they did provide you discovery. Usually discovery just in infractions just means it's the infraction itself sometimes.
Okay, my discovery was I asked for body cam, I asked for dash cam, I asked for CAD reports. I asked for several things, and all I received was just a ticket.
Okay, and so you have not received.
Am I free to speak?
Well, we're trying to clarify this issue because if you have not been provided full discovery, that kind of ends the discussion for the court's sake, because then it would be a finding of not committed. So if you have not, so I'm just looking at your request for discovery. I do see that you requested dash cam footage from any patrol vehicle, and you're saying you have not received any dash cam footage.
No.
Okay, and you have not received any body cam footage?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to find the infraction not committed for a discovery violation. It looks like there was valid service on the prosecutor's office. There was stuff in their possession that they should have been provided to the defendant, so I'm finding it not committed. All right, Mr. Sturgeon, that should be all for today.
Actually, I was hoping you would make rulings on the sorry. I was hoping you would rule on each of those motions that I submitted.
Well, I don't know which judge you were trying to recuse.
Yourself.
Okay, well, I can, it doesn't indicate my name or anything that doesn't indicate specific requests, so I'm going to deny your request to recuse because it doesn't indicate it was me. I've already found it not committed. I'm not going to rule on any motions that don't pertain if you get the finding that you want. It's not committed. This is a contested hearing. So that's going to be the end of it today. All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.